Okay, so let's say that you wanted to know which one of the numbers in each row here is the lowest. So I've got commodities, and then I've got 12 data or price points, one for the last day of every month. So when I look at corn, for example, I can see that's quite low, and that is in fact the lowest. So I can make that 7. I could then, redo that for each one of these commodities. Using conditional formatting, we can accomplish this very quickly, and as these numbers change, we won't have to manually change what cell we highlight. The formula within the conditional formatting will take care of that for us. So I've selected the entire data set here. I'm going to go on the Home tab to Conditional Formatting. I'm going to create a new rule. I'm going to use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I need to write a formula, and basically what I want to know, well, the first thing is I need to write it relative to the cell that I'm currently in. So I'm currently in cell B2, as you can see up here. And I want to know, is B2 the smallest number in the range from B2 to M2? So it says equal B2 equal the min B2 to M2. And the B2, I want to stay as a relative reference. I want, when I'm down in this cell, M9, I want this first part of the formula to be M9. So no dollar signs there. Now the minimum when I'm in M9, I want it to say is M9 the minimum of B9 to M9. So I want these B's and M's to stay B's and M's. So I'll put the dollar sign in front of the B and the dollar sign in front of the M, and then I'll just format with that yellow background. I'll press OK, and now you can see 7 is highlighted, 44, September for cobalt, etc. And if when I get to January of the next year, or we get a new low point, I don't have to do anything manually. Excel will automatically notate that for me.